Fresh gear. Vlogging. Just decided to start vlogging.
An hour later.
Say what's up to YouTube.
Hi.
You're back. Everyone knows you anyway. You want to introduce yourself again?
Samra, Sans _ on Instagram. I'm from East London.
She's already dropping the plug, Nathan.
Is it?
You see that? Sam _ She's got the real deal with her today. Yes, people, so welcome to the vlog. It is Tuesday, right guys? Tuesday the something, I've lost track of. The 6th of August. We are at the Olympic Park. Right here behind me is like some nice kind of structure here, Orbital or something it's called. West Ham football ground here. And we are just setting up for our first episode of our new series that we're going to drop. Don't know the name of it yet, but today I'm just doing a kind of behind the scenes vlog of the shoot, which is going to be with Samra, who you guys met at the meetup, the Hyde Park meetup. Nice. She's got unreal skills, so we had to invite her to do this episode. So I'm looking forward to it. We've got some new stuff. Let me show you what we got actually. Loud noise everywhere. Standard. Do you know what? I'm just going to still record through this. I'm going to record through this. Fresh new mic. This was our old mic. Now we've got the Rode. This is really annoying, isn't it? That's the new setup.
Just got the new Rode Mic Pro.
How's it looking? Looks nice, right?
It's sick, yeah.
We're meant to use
We're
the
having some
screen.
problems with this,
yeah.
with the monitor. It's not turning on.
We've got a gas, right? We're like, got this monitor before. Let me just make us some mad setup.
It just help.
That's what it'll kind of look like. Right, anyway. Ain't gonna happen now. Ah, the sun's out. When we had the London Olympics, that was the main stadium for the London Olympics. And this whole area was just kind of redeveloped. Kind of looks empty right now for some reason. But there's a lot of development that went around this whole area in East London. And yeah, they made it kind of nice, to be honest with you. Before, it was literally, it was not really that nice, to be fair. You're gonna get to see what we really work like. What's your first impressions?
So far so good.
So far so good. You're being nice, innit? We're all over the shop, aren't we? Fucking planes follow me everywhere, man. So you're from around here, right, Samra?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah. So before this Olympic Park, what was the best thing about East London? Remember, these viewers are from everywhere, so like this is your home. Sell it. Sell it.
I can't even remember now how it was before Olympic, before Westfield.
It's a lot nicer, right?
Yeah,
it's a lot nicer.
It is, yeah.
But if someone had to come to East London now, what would you say they have to see?
Well, they have to like try out most of the food places.
Good food, yeah.
Yeah.
Green Street.
Defo.
Green Street, yeah.
For Asian clothes and all of that.
Nice, yeah. Come get your wedding clothes from Green Street. It's just around the corner here. I'm just gonna put you down here. It's like a nice little view. Camera's not straight, but anyway, we'll do. Quick little catch up, guys. What's been going on? So we did the podcast last week, so you saw the vlog on that. Hopefully, that was a really amazing experience for me. And in the future, I'm looking to kind of do a little bit more podcasting and interviews myself. I've got a plan in motion to hopefully get some cool special guests to come on the channel and come give their experience on skipping, on business, on lifestyle. So that's one kind of idea in the pipeline. Then we've got this series as well that we've just been talking about. So I'm hoping to get more and more people who we meet along the way into skipping, who have a story to share, something cool to say. Like I said, we're just trying to build this movement, trying to build this kind of idea of how amazing skipping is, and to really get the whole world flying like we always do. But otherwise, yeah, things have been super busy. We've got the pre-orders of the Icon rope, the Elevate mask going out very soon this month, later on this month. We're still kind of planning the gym because we need to make more space for the mats and all the other new products coming in. So there's just so much going on, guys. There's just a ton of things happening. But I want to thank you for everyone who got involved on that pre-order launch. I haven't had like a really good chance to say it on camera, but it was phenomenal. It was like our record-breaking like day one launch ever. Like, it was just so incredible to see so many people turn up and support that new rope and the Elevate mask concept. So guys, I'm gonna just keep it rolling, man. I'm just gonna keep it rolling today. It's a little bit windy. Hopefully the microphone picks up what we talk about, but yeah, it's just gonna be really raw today, and just sit back, relax, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Which one of these lav mics?
Nothing's working, right?
Nothing's working.
We bought this like funky little, I don't know why they make it look like this, it looks really weird, but
no, it's ergonomically.
But if it was like black or something and like just look, it would look slick,
they're
right?
the only ones on the market. They've got the market share.
Okay, we don't want to plug them. This doesn't.
The screen doesn't
fit.
turn on.
The screen doesn't fit.
The mic works, hopefully. There is a red light. Let's hope that turns green.
We've got these new mics as well. We're gonna try these out.
Oh, let's see if these work.
They probably won't work. We're gonna try and pass some time. You're a boss at skipping.
No.
You are a boss at skipping.
I'm not all that.
And we're gonna try and share that on this video. But for anyone watching this vlog, what's the best tip you can give them to learn as fast as possible?
Practice. Like, you know, some people think, oh, it's just gonna come naturally. You know, you need to practice. Take all the tips that you are given, and yeah, just practice.
Practice, right?
Yeah.
Takes time.
Yeah, exactly.
Is
Be
that-
patient, you'll get there.
How long did it take you to get to where you are right now, roughly?
I mean, I've been skipping for about 2 years, but every time I learn a skill, it does take me like a few hours, maybe like 2 or 3 days to like get it.
A lot of time, right?
Yeah, exactly.
It's no
so
joke.
you just need to be patient, and yeah, you'll get it.
It's no joke. You see, we're not messing around when I tell you guys it takes hours and hours. I've been doing this for 4 years. She's taken 2 years to get to her level. But yeah, anyone can be slow or fast, whatever, man. You gotta love the journey, right? It's about the journey, right?
Exactly.
It's about loving the practice element of it and the process. Look, got Nathan starting as well soon.
I'm not skipping, nah.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Nathan. Do you wear this all the time?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah? Even at home as well, do you wear it? Sorry
No.
for my ignorance, by the way.
No, it's
But,
alright. Not at home. It's just in front of like men, basically.
Yeah.
That because
Yeah.
of men.
And you wear this in the gym and
Yeah.
when you're
yeah.
training and things like that as well, right?
Yeah.
Cool. How are we looking, bro?
Really, really clean content. I think taking production to the next level.
Next levels.
Yeah.
That's what I like to hear, man.
Oh man, there's a bird there.
How short are you?
I'm like 5'4".
This is my eye line, guys. This the camera's at my eye line right now, and there's Samra. You can just see the top of her head. This place is forever expanding.
Thanks for your assistance today.
Yeah, cheers. See what these guys are doing. And Nathan's hooking up the boss walk shots. Right. So these guys are just filming their walking shots. Nathan and I like to call it boss shots, boss walking shots. Basically, all you have to do is just walk. Nathan does his camera work behind you and he makes it look epic. So that's what they're doing right now. So this area was built up for the Olympics in 2012. The funny story is that I didn't even come to anything to do with the Olympics. I didn't come to any track and field events, any cycling, any rowing. I didn't do anything around here. It's the first time literally I'm coming around this area. But it's a shame that I didn't get a chance to experience the Olympics, and I feel kind of bad about it right now. So I kind of feel bad. And this is something that I do quite regularly, guys. Like, I don't really get a chance to explore my own city. I don't really know much about London. It's really weird. It's so strange. I don't know if you guys have the same experience in your country. But walking around here, literally the first time around the Olympic Park, I didn't even come to the Olympics. It feels kind of weird. I feel kind of annoyed with myself. I'm not gonna lie. 5 years old. 2 minutes old. Look how fresh these trainers are, man. Damn. Teresa, we got you in a Queen of the Skies t-shirt. You liking it?
Yeah, love it.
Looks sick on you. Hold on. I've got so much stuff on me today. We're off to the tube station right now. Gonna hit Bethnal Green.
You got ice cream?
I'm alright. You lot getting ice cream? Mate, that looks unreal.
Everyone's trying to take the chocolate, yeah?
Did you tell your mates you're coming to film with us? Did they get excited?
Yeah.
Mate, we made it. People actually talk about us.
Thank you very much.
Now, 1 PM. This is the spot. Yeah, this looks clean.
Who's making the visuals though?
Alright, we're discussing. We're gonna get so much on Nike in this shot. We're discussing who would Nike call.
Right, all I need to do is walk over.
Would they call Nathan, Samra, or me?
Obviously.
Definitely me, man. Definitely me. Of course they would call me. Look at that back. I need to send him to a chiropractor. We're not traveling light today, guys. I am using the RA Explorer backpack. In here, I usually carry, obviously, the rope, nice and neatly coiled. And I've got all my camera gear here. I've got my water bottle. And then on the other side, I have my laptop as well inside here. This is Nathan's bag. He's got all the lenses, all the good stuff. In here, I've got all my camera gear, so it's just literally just a lot of shit today. Busting out the squats. Look at that, lunge techers, love it.
Go down at the same time, it looks sick.
I'm on it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Right, we're gonna get some skipping shots, gonna get some boss skipping shots. Nathan's got the camera ready. Gonna get you guys a fire edit in 3, 2.
I'm cold in your whispers. There's nothing that I could do to want to escape from you. I'm cold in your whispers. There's nothing that I could do to want to escape from you. From you.
We're gonna roll it with the edit. That was sick. That was sick. Was that a record for you?
Yeah.
Close to a record. Mate, bang tidy. Hope you enjoyed that edit. We'll get back to the vlog. We mean business right now.
Yeah.
We mean serious business. Upgrading
content.
We've got screens that
Production levels going higher.
we just got equipment that doesn't even work. That's how big we are. We don't even know how to use it.
But we're gonna learn.
We're gonna learn.
We're gonna learn.
We're investing in the highest quality for you guys. Trust me, we're gonna be smashing, guys. From all of us here, I might cut the vlog. Let's say bye, Samra.
Bye.
Thank you for having us. I think we had, I don't know who, anyway.
Thank you for coming on the
Thank you for coming for the,
I honestly loved it today. It was a whole new experience, loved it.
Wicked.
Meeting new people, I love that.
I've been itching to play a bit of football recently. What we're gonna do is we're gonna ask these kids if we can play. Guys, do you mind if we play a little bit of football with you? Is that cool, yeah? Papa. I'm Rush. Nice to meet you. Yeah. You guys are good to record, so if mum's watching, they did say we're good to record, yeah? So it's me and Nathan. This is how we roll, guys. We're coming away to these hostile away grounds in East London. South London represented. Here we go. Alright, let's go, guys. Alright, man, I'll get the best. 6-2. I'm gonna try to go against London.
Hey!
Oh,
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You just lost against kids, how do you feel?
Right, so, well, that was a hard game. Just have to put it down to the few injuries that we had in the squad. The sending off didn't help, so the suicide pass was special there, Nathan.
But I got the only goal.
He got the only goal. Anyway, I'm glad we played a bit of football. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next video.